Alright guys, Floofy Boy here, welcome back to another video. And today, we got about yesterday, I found this was trash picked. I trash picked this Dirt Devil Endura MAX upright vacuum. This is actually in really nice shape, but it's just dirty because I just used it. And I actually cleaned this, but it's also dirty because I just used it. Vacuum some other stuff. And this is actually an awesome little vacuum. This is really lightweight. Look how light it is. Lighter than my heavy duty, that's for sure. So I'm just going to be vacuuming that up. This is from, let's look at the date. It actually doesn't, it's not made by Royal anymore. It's actually made by actual Dirt Devil. That's surprising. Handle release still works too, which is good. Get the cord out of the way. Oh, I did not mean to do that. My bad. Here's your sticker. 120 volt, 60 hertz, 8 amps. The Dirt Devil. TFCTL. Tektronix Floor Care Technology Limited. Dirt Devil. And this is from the MFG code. It says E18A. So that's, I'm guessing, I don't know, 28. Yeah, it's from 2018. You can see by the 2018. So it's from 2018. So it's 4 years old. It's as old as my dog Dexter. Yeah. It's Model UD70174. Just drop my phone. Show you all the attachments now. Here is the higher cord up. This is a cool looking tool. This is actually a crevice tool, but when you slide this part up and turn it into a, turn it into a dusting brush. See? What do you see of bristles actually? Then when you put it back, you just press that in, just slide it back down, put it back on. Here's your hose, which actually has like a little locking mechanism in there. See, there's like a little push thing right here. Push that to unlock. It's got a stretch hose too. Wow, it's actually really long. It's as long as the heavy duty's hose. This is a really long hose. Wow. This is a really long hose. I'm impressed how long this thing is. And when you want to put it back, you just lock it back in. Like that. And then it actually has an option. They can actually take out the handle for a wand. Kind of works like the Dysons. No. Yeah, Dysons and Sharks. Kind of works like the Dysons and the Sharks. Then you attach the hose to this part right here. See where it has like the little notch right there? See? You just attach it like this. Like you just like do that number. I can hold it with my feet. Oh. Come on. Oh. Something like that. And then you have something like this. Then you can attach your attachments, or you can use the hose or you could just use the hose like this if you really want to. You could just use it like that, but I recommend using it like this because it looks better. And it'll be a little bit longer, so it has a built-in extension wand. And then you can do that. And then you can do your upholstery. So that's how that works. Okay, so back in. Walks back in like that. Okay. Put that back in. Here's your canister. Pretty big. It's a decent sized canister. It's actually in really nice shape. Might need to take some glass cleaner to this. So it's a little bit more shiny. Dirt Devil Endura MAX. They actually sell this still. They still sell this vacuum, which I'm surprised about. I'll show you the filters. So this filter comes out like this. So you twist this. So, well, if I can demonstrate it, like that. And here's this filter right here. Might need to cut that off. There we go. Right, here's your filter. Your outer filter. There's an inner filter right here. It's a bleeded filter. This is a bleeded filter. Here's your other filter. Here's your cyclone. So let's put this filter back on. Oh, and by the way, this filter can come off, which is good. See, this does twist off. See, this filter twists off, so you can wash it. It's a rinsable filter too, so you can rinse it under the tap water under. Or if you don't have a tap, well, it doesn't have a tap. That's a sink. Come on. And then lock it back in place. Flip it over. And then you go to the unlock position. And then you have to push it down in order to line it up. Which it is. You just twist it into place. And it's locked in. Now we put this back in. Oh, here's this part. And here's another filter down here. It's kind of hard to get that out. Here's another filter. Just a nice foam washable post-molded filter. Locks in like that. Alright. Now, here's your power button. It's actually really not that loud. Just sounds like a normal Dirt Devil. Yeah. Here's your high adjustment knob. Let's lift that back. And I think you can do it a second time. No, you can't. It's kind of like, here's your height adjustment. I've only got 4 height adjustments, unfortunately, but I keep it on the one for the plow carpet because it's a low carpet. Here's your brush roll height adjustment clip. Here's your brush roll. When I got this was full of hair, but now looks really nice now. Still got some hair right there, but it's fine. Here's your. I actually put oil in these wheels to make them smoother. I put some oil in these wheels so they can spin a little bit better. So, put some oil in those. Let's it back up so we can test it. Alright. I wish there was a cord clip, but there's not. Unfortunately. So here we go. Here we go. Might need a new belt, but doesn't really need one though. Might need to get a new belt for this. I don't know, but it's doing a pretty good job. Love that action. See? Brush roll spins. Alright, let's see how much it picked up. You can never do that one-handed. There's all this stuff in there. It's pretty nasty. So all the stuff picked up. It's weird how there's no like middle cyclone in there, like that makes it spin, but it still spins pretty coolly. So yeah, that's going to be the end of the video of this 2018 Dirt Devil Endura MAX. upright vacuum cleaner. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the video seen by me. And this is Floofy Boy signing off. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.